Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about this Yoleak LiFePO battery. This guy is 12 volts out, the slickest Bluetooth BMS in it. I can't say enough about that. I will show you some screenshots that I've taken with this while doing various things like charging, discharging, lots of stuff like that. This particular test that I had here was on this 1500 watt inverter, driving it with this battery and making a boatload of coffee. I made 2 cups out of the K-cup machines, which the Keurig is pretty much torturous on inverters, but the battery did so well. In making 2 K-cups of coffee, which were large cups, and boiling 1.7 liters of water in the kettle, it only used right around 20% of the battery in the capacity in the battery. And I think that'll probably float up a little bit when we give it some time, because the battery does sag a little bit in use, and I think we'll get that back. But what I really like about this guy are the go handles. These guys stow out of the way when you don't need them, but when you do, it's a two-fisted box of joy. We're going to take this out on the lake and hook it up to a trolling motor and see how far we can get. And I'm looking forward to shooting that footage for you. But the manual for this guy is extraordinary. Glossy paper, color pictures, excellent English, big text, everything you want in a battery manual. This guy's got it. Couldn't be happier with that. And do use their QR code for the app so that you're sure to get the right one for your product. Otherwise, you might be sad, and we don't want you to be sad. So do use these to get your to get the right app for your phone, I should say. And yeah, this guy has been an absolute beast. No issues with it. It also has a self-heating mode. So if you're in an area where temperature might affect the output of this or the ability to charge it, you can enable the heater. And you can make the heater set to a time window where it'll allow it to work. And you can also set it to just fire once. So let's say you notice that it had shut itself down due to a cold temperature. You could tell it to just heat up, and it would do that and either charge or discharge again. So lots of really cool functionality in this thing, and I'm only just beginning to explore its capabilities, but I'm so excited to get this on the lake tomorrow. Now make sure that you're charging this guy up. I had done a lot of work with making coffee, so I needed to recharge this, and make sure you're using the right charger too, because you need a LiFePO battery charger. And now we're going to get out on the lake and start this little adventure. And I gotta say, this was such an enjoyable experience. Having the trolling motor, for its quietness, you're not going to get there fast, but it held about 3.5 miles an hour for the entire trip. But that's just, I have a small old trolling motor. It has nothing to do with the battery. But man, what a beautiful experience being out there in the quiet, just enjoying everything around me. But look at the wake this guy is kicking up. I mean, that's just a little electric motor, and it is getting it done. We're motoring right along here. And it's so beautiful to be able to be out in the wild and not disturb anything, and be able to get really close to the wildlife and get some great shots. What an enjoyable afternoon, and I hardly touched the capacity in this giant battery. I could have stayed out there all day, but I had filming to do, and I had to get home. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have an amazing week.